Welcome back. Kalangut police has conducted a prostitution raid and rescued 4 victim girls. Police arrested one Srinath alias Rohit red-handed while he was striking the deal with decoy customer sent by police. Accused Srinath is a native of Udupi, Karnataka and is remanded 7 days police custody. Victim girls are shifted to State Protective Home at Mershe. Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar has allegedly commented on complexion and personal life of 108 striking staff. The allegation comes from female employees of 108 ambulance services. Employees are already annoyed and are protesting against the government for not resolving the issues with the GVK. The meet with the CM Parsekar failed on Wednesday. The employees have decided to stage protest at every function attended by CM Parsekar.
सगळे आम्ही आमच्या डिमांड्स परत एकदा सांगले त्यांच्यानी पहिली कानार हात दवरले म्हणजे डिमांड्स आमच्या ऐकून घेवच्यापेक्षा त्यांनी फक्त टर्मिनेशन केला ते फाटी घेऊन आम्ही सगळे सेटल केल्ले आपण तुम्ही परत जॉईन जावपाक कित्याक फुडें सोडूना अशें सांगलें पण आमचे एक्चुअल कितें डिमांड्स ते आमकां सांगपाक मेळत ना सो तांचे मत अशें आशिल्लें की आतां तुमी अशें मताक रावन थंय काळी जाल्या आनी तुमी अशें कित्याक करतात तुमी काय बरी वेवस्थीत दिसताली तुमी एम्ब्युलन्साचेर आमी तुमकां पयलां बरें काम करताली आनी आतां तुमी त्या वताक वचून तुमी अशें पळयना तुमी तुमचें कॉम्प्लेक्शन लेवलाक अशें तांकां म्हणपाचें आशिल्लें.
मंत्र्याचें अशें म्हणणें आशिल्लें की तुमकां हेजे फुडें सैरीगती बीन मेळपाना तुमी जर अशीच काळी जाली जाल्यार तें तेंचें काम न्ही तें तेंच्या आवय बापायचें काम आसा चलयांच्या आवय बापायचें काम सैरीगती हाडप की हाडप ना तें पेरंट्स पळयतले तें मुख्यमंत्र्याचें बेजिकली काम न्ही. मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी जें काम करूंक जाय आशिल्लें की ह्या कर्मचाऱ्यांचो प्रश्न सोडोवंक जाय आशिल्लो तो अजून पर्यंत सोडयलो ना. सो जें आज तेंच्यांनी म्हटलें त्या गजालीचो आमी निशेध करता आनी मुख्यमंत्र्याक सांगता की हेजे फुडें केन्नाय स्टेटमेंट करच्या पयलीं 2 फावटी विचार करचो म्हणून.
Meanwhile, the striking employees of 108 ambulance services protested against the CM at Farmagudi. CM had been to the GVM's higher secondary to distribute laptops for the 12th standard students. The 108 union has now decided to protest wherever CM attends any public function. Vivek Prabhu and Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
Bangalore FC put up a classic display in the I-League on Tuesday as they beat Sporting Club the Goa 4-1 in Bangalore. With this victory, Bangalore moved up to second position in the I-League. They are now just 1 point behind leaders Mohan Bagan, who have however played 2 games less than Bangalore. On the other hand, Sporting Club the Goa are still rooted to the bottom with 9 games left to be played in their battle for survival.
This is pretty much the halfway point of this Hero I-League, the 55th game which will be played, overall 110 matches to be played. So after today we will have exactly half the number of games played, and I think it's fair to say that the teams which look like they are going to win will probably be in contention, and the teams which look like they will be relegated could face a serious amount of trouble. So from that perspective, a must win for both teams here. Created Sporting Club they Goa with some wholesale changes to their starting 11 from the last game. One, of course, enforced Joyner Lorenko, who eventually had a red card in the last game, 2 yellows.
United, and there are many players still playing, like Totti.
Oh, Lindo with an outstanding delivery, and it's been nudged into the goal. The last touch coming off the head of Josh Walker, and Bengaluru FC have the lead. Some of the teams that you perhaps no doubt would have had a few players who have made their things rivet, and that's a great goal. Oh, outstanding finish. Reno Anto with the final touch. An outstanding build-up play. First touch for Baikoke, sets up Chetri onto the left. The Bengaluru FC captain cuts it back. It's placed across the goal, and Koi Singh scored the third. This time around it's Sodafa, perhaps one man who can try and unlock the scoreline. Supreme work for him! But what a save from Ralte. And there's another illustration of that. CK Vineet with a run through on goal. Easiest of finishes. Baikoke Bengaicho gets the 4th of the night. But the temperature is much cooler. Oh, this is a good through ball. Vitorino turning it back. This time Mavia can't quite save it. That has crossed the line, and that has been given as a goal.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.